Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 5th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather wet at times today and tonight. A shot of cold air for the latter half of this week. Then more rain by the time the weekend gets here. Maybe some thunder. Let's check it out. Upper air look. High amplitude pattern. Got a trough in the western states. It's all progressive, so we'll see a lot of changes over the next 7 days. I was peek at the radar early this morning at 5:03. Rain was fairly extensive over parts of north and west Alabama. We'll see periods of rain today and tonight. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s. High should be in the 60s today. And a pretty good shot of cold air back behind that trough in the western states. And I think we'll see that later this week. And that should get us below the freezing mark Thursday and Friday morning. Growers beware. Winter storm warnings up north. The Dakotas, Minnesota. Blizzard warnings for parts of South Dakota. Down in Kansas and Oklahoma, that's a red flag warning for wildfire danger and a winter storm watch in effect for parts of the northeast United States. To the west of Alabama, there's a marginal risk of severe storms today from southeast Texas into parts of southwest Mississippi. We expect no severe weather problems here. Maybe some thunder tonight. And then tomorrow, maybe some thunder for the southern half of the state, but again, severe weather not expected. Precipitation for the next 7 days, a lot for the southeast United States. In Alabama, amounts generally between 1 and 2 inches. We'll have the rain today and tonight, more rain this weekend. So let's take it day by day. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, noon today, troughing north and west of the state. A deep surface low forms northwest of Des Moines with blizzard conditions for parts of the Dakotas. And a trailing front approaching, so we'll have a cloudy day with rain at times. Let's go through the high-res NAM. This is 4 o'clock today. This is suggesting the best chance of rain for the northern third of the state, and maybe nothing especially widespread. The rain will be more widespread tonight. This is midnight as the front enters the extreme northwestern tip of the state, so a pretty good rain tonight. Then by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, the front should be near Interstate 59, with the rain pushing down to the south. So some rain at times today, a pretty good rain tonight. And this is midday tomorrow. After the rain ends early in the day, the sky should become mostly sunny by afternoon. And the high will be in the 60s. The really cool air doesn't kick in yet, but it does on Wednesday. Another nor'easter forms near the Delaware coast. Strong cold air advection. We'll call it partly to mostly sunny with a high in the low 50s. That's about 10 degrees below average. And this is Thursday, and we're going to start the day near or maybe just below the freezing mark. Now, we still got a north breeze, so that might mitigate the chance of frost. The day Thursday should be sunny and very cool with a high in the low to mid-50s. And then Friday, the surface high is pretty much on top of us. It's centered down around Dothan. So, again, of the 2 mornings, Friday morning might be the colder. Colder pockets go in the 20s. Other spots in the low 30s. And during the day Friday, the sky should be sunny with a high up around 60. So again, freeze opportunity clearly there Thursday and Friday morning. Now as the weekend begins, here comes the rain. Clouds increase Friday night. Rain will likely arrive at some point Saturday. This is Saturday at midday. A surface low is off to the west near Dallas-Fort Worth. This is Saturday night at midnight, and a deepening surface low is up over the Tennessee Valley. And that would suggest maybe some strong storms for parts of the state. And then Sunday, the surface low is well to the east, and the rain would be ending. Again, a pretty good north wind, and we'll probably be in the 50s all day Sunday. Kind of a breezy, cloudy, and cool day, but the rain should be to the east of here. I want to go show you the European. This is Sunday morning at 6 o'clock. It's got that deep surface low near Nashville, under 1,000 millibars. And again, normally you might think that might be a severe weather setup if we can see some instability, but notice what you got there from Mobile down to Tampa Bay, a big massive storms in the Gulf of Mexico. And typically when you see that in a situation like that, that really reduces any severe weather threat inland. cuts things off. So for the moment, the chance of severe weather for the weekend looking low. But understand this is, 5-6 days out. This could change. But clearly we'll have rain at times Saturday night, maybe into part of the day Sunday morning. Monday of next week, another deep trough over the U.S. and again, another nor'easter. And another shot of colder air coming in here. Monday's high would be only in the 50s. It'll be another chilly start to the week next week. This is the end of the forecast period. Wednesday of next week, troughing in the northwest, troughing off the east coast. That looks very cool and dry. Check the numbers coming off the European. It drops the highs to 51 here on Wednesday and Thursday, and again, lows at or below freezing Thursday and Friday morning. Colder pockets go in the 20s. For the weekend, highs creep back up in the 60s, but again, early next week, highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. Generally speaking, those numbers are pretty far below average for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.